Family dinner and weekend plans.
So, how was everyone's day today?
It was all right. Nothing too exciting happened at school.
Nothing at all? No interesting classes or funny stories?
Well, okay, maybe one thing. Our history teacher accidentally dropped his coffee all over his desk, and the whole class tried not to laugh.
That's hilarious. Did the coffee ruin his papers?
Yep. He had to rewrite some notes. He was so embarrassed.
Poor guy. I can't imagine losing all my work like that.
That's why I always tell you to keep your coffee away from your laptop, Michael.
Yes, dear. I learned my lesson.
My day was fun. We had a science experiment in class, and we made volcanoes with baking soda and vinegar.
That sounds exciting. Did yours explode?
Oh, yeah. It was the biggest one in class.
Of course it was. You love making a mess.
It's called science, Emma.
Speaking of fun, what's the plan for this weekend?
I was thinking we could have a family outing. Maybe a picnic or a day at the park?
A picnic sounds nice, but can we also go to the mall? I need to buy some things.
Shopping, huh? What do you need?
Just some new shoes. And maybe a new phone case. And a few other small things.
That sounds like more than just a few small things.
I vote for the park. I want to play soccer.
That's a great idea. Maybe we can split up. Emma and Mom can go shopping while Jack and I go to the park. Then we can all meet up for lunch.
That sounds perfect.
Yeah, that works. But I do want to come to the picnic too.
You just want the food.
Maybe.
But before we enjoy the weekend, we need to take care of some chores.
Do we have to?
Yes, young man, we do. A clean house means a happy family.
Fine. What do we need to do?
Let's divide the tasks. Emma, you'll vacuum the living room and clean your room.
Okay.
Jack, you'll help me wash the car.
Yes. I get to use the hose.
Typical.
And I'll handle the laundry while Dad helps in the garden.
Sounds fair. Let's get everything done in the morning so we can enjoy the rest of the day.
Deal. Oh, and can we get ice cream after the picnic?
That depends.
On what?
On how well you do your chores.
I will clean everything. I'll even clean M's room.
No way. Stay out of my room, you little troublemaker.
What? Afraid I'll find your secret stash of snacks?
How did you know?
You two are impossible.
But at least they keep things entertaining.
All right, it's getting late. Jack, time to start getting ready for bed.
But I'm not sleepy yet.
That's what you always say, and then you fall asleep 5 minutes later.
That's not true.
Oh yes, it is. You literally fell asleep in the car last week while holding a sandwich.
Okay, that was different.
Come on, let's not argue. Bedtime routine, everyone.
Fine. But can we have a bedtime story?
All right, one short story.
Can I pick the story?
No way. You always pick boring ones.
We'll all agree on a story together.
Okay. But no princesses.
Too bad. I'm choosing Cinderella.
No.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.